This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Chambers. Ready to call home. Amazing floor plan, open with soaring ceilings. Hardwdood tile and new carpet flooring. Upgraded lighting throughout. Magical backyard graced with relaxation, pergola, stone walkways and privacy fencing. Fresh interior paint, stainless steel appliance, granite kitchen tops, new carpet in bedrooms and bonus. Ready for immediate occupancy. Tenancy subject to credit report, application and income verification and approval. Security/holding deposit required. Apply online for more information, review the details below or contact Chambers at 901-861-4808.